Hello everyone, my name is Siti Aisyah Binti Wahama, and today I'll be sharing a critical analysis of the article titled Sustainable Sourcing of Organic Skincare Ingredients, a critical analysis of ethical concerns and environmental implications. This article explores the organic skincare industry, specifically focusing on the sourcing practices of ingredients and their impacts on consumer health, ethics, and the environment. Recently, there has been a growing concern about the environmental and health issues within the global cosmetics industry, especially regarding skincare and beauty products. This has led to a trend towards organic skincare products, which are seen as a better choice for the skin compared to synthetic products that contains artificial ingredients and chemicals. According to an article by Bully Money, in his article he highlighted how environmental awareness is influencing consumer behavior, and this has encouraged people to choose products that are more sustainable, and as a result, the organic skincare market has grown significantly, with more people choosing products that are both healthy and eco-friendly. We also need to ensure that sourcing practices are transparent and truly sustainable. According to an article written by Serber and Kotner in 2017, green cosmetics are made from natural ingredients like fruits and plants, which are seen as better for both health and the environment. But as demand for these products grow, there are still questions about the sourcing practices behind them. Some studies, like those from Gonzalez Minero et al., suggest that sourcing ingredients close to production sites can help reduce the carbon footprint, because the nearer the factory is to the source of the ingredients, the lesser carbon is used to transport the ingredients. But it is still unclear how sustainable these practices are on a larger scale. This brings us to the research objectives of the article. The first objective is to closely examine and evaluate how ingredients for organic skincare and cosmetics are currently sourced. The second objective is to analyze the ethical concerns related to these ingredients. Third, we will look into the environmental impacts of sourcing these organic ingredients. And finally, our fourth objective is to provide clear recommendations. The authors aim to suggest ways to improve responsible ingredient sourcing practices and ensure that consumers can safely enjoy organic skincare products. In order to guide the study and test some of the author's assumptions, they have developed several hypotheses. The first hypothesis suggests that the current sourcing practices of ingredients in organic skincare are strongly linked to ethical concerns, which may impact consumers' health. The second hypothesis focuses on the proximity of producers to consumers. The authors believe that if skincare producers are closer to consumers, there's a higher risk of unethical practices and unsafe products reaching the market. The third hypothesis looks into the environmental issues related to sourcing. The authors expect that these practices significantly contribute to the environmental impact of organic skincare products. And lastly, the authors hypothesize that small-scale producers may be more likely to compromise on product safety and ethical standards due to the high cost of sourcing organic ingredients. Next, let's look into the points mentioned by the authors in the literature review. First, the health ethics of ingredient transparency in organic skincare. Even if a product is labeled organic, it doesn't always mean the ingredients are safe. Words like natural and organic aren't always clearly defined, and some products might still contain harmful chemicals. Many ingredients like fragrances and preservatives can irritate the skin or cause allergies, and using them long-term might lead to more serious health issues. Unfortunately, companies are not required to test for ingredient safety, so consumers may not have enough information to make healthy choices. Second, chemical implications and consumer health in organic skincare. Even though organic skincare is seen as healthier, it may not always be safe as we think. Some natural ingredients are processed in ways that can create harmful chemicals, which might interfere with hormones in the body, leading to problems like reproductive issues or even cancer. And third, ethical consumption. Consumers want products that are made ethically, but there's often a gap between what they want and what is available or affordable. For the cosmetics industry, it's difficult to balance ethical ideals with business needs. Moreover, sourcing practices. The supply chains are often complicated, and it's hard to know where and how the ingredients are really being sourced. This creates challenges for ensuring fair labor practices, protecting the environment, and using resources sustainably. Next, environmental implications of organic skincare ingredients sourcing. The authors mention that sustainability is not just about avoiding bad chemicals. It's also about protecting wildlife and plant life. To grow organic ingredients, farmers need to use methods like crop rotation and avoid using genetically modified seeds. But as more people want organic skincare products, it's getting harder to keep up these good practices. If not done properly, farming too much can harm the land and reduce biodiversity. Next, carbon footprint and transportation. Transporting ingredients for organic skincare products can have a big impact on the environment. Since skincare ingredients are often imported from different parts of the world, this leads to high carbon emissions as they travel long distances. Customers often want products from faraway places, which increases transportation emissions. And next, health implications and safety of organic skincare products. Some natural ingredients can cause allergic reactions or skin problems. Just because something is labeled organic doesn't mean it's safe for everyone. And next, global regulatory landscape and its impact on health and safety. Different countries have different rules, which can affect the safety of organic skincare products. For example, an ingredient that is safe in one country might be restricted in another country. And lastly, economic considerations, accessibility, and ethical challenges in organic skincare. A major issue in the organic skincare industry is that it can be hard for producers to find affordable organic ingredients, which leads to an ethical problem. For example, organic ingredients are usually much more expensive than non-organic ones, and to keep prices competitive, some producers might try to cut corners. This could mean using lower quality ingredients or claiming a product is more organic than it really is. Now let's discuss the methodology used in the study. This research adopted a quantitative approach using a survey research strategy to gather primary data. And to ensure that the data collected was relevant to the author's research, they used purposive sampling to select a specific group of people. This sample consisted of working-class women, as they believed this demographic would provide valuable insights into how economic factors intersect with health and ethical considerations in organic skincare. Next, moving on to data analysis. The first step was to use descriptive statistics to better understand the demographic characteristics of the sample and gain initial insights into their attitudes and experiences regarding organic skincare. For hypothesis testing, the authors applied both correlation and regression analysis. Next, let's take a look at the results of the survey. The demographic analysis shows that the participants came from different age groups, but the majority were between the ages of 26 and 30, making up 32.4% of the group. One important finding is how often people buy organic skincare products. The authors found that 33.3% of the respondents said they buy these products always, which shows that organic skincare is quite popular among the people that the authors surveyed. However, when asked about the negative effects of these products, 58% of the participants said they had experienced some kind of problem. This shows that safety and health concerns are important topics that need more attention in the skincare industry. When asked if people think that locally sourced organic products are safer, 62.7% of the respondents said they feel these products are safe, but 15.7% were either neutral or didn't agree, which shows that there are different opinions about the safety of locally sourced products. This could be an interesting area to explore further. Another question focused on whether people had experienced any negative effects from using organic skincare products. A majority, 57.6%, said they had, which is a significant number. This raises some important questions about why these products are causing issues for so many people. Looking into the severity of these effects, 29.3% of respondents said they did not experience any adverse effects. However, the other reported mild to severe issues. This shows that not everyone reacts the same way to organic skincare products and the need to understand these different experiences to improve product safety. Next, when asked about the influence of cost on purchasing decisions, the authors found that 38.7% of people said the price of organic skincare products strongly affects their buying choices, while 36% said it moderately influences them. So price plays an important role in people's decisions to buy these products. And finally, when asked if they think small-scale producers of organic skincare products are more likely to compromise on safety, 63.2% of respondents agreed. This suggests that people believe smaller producers might not always prioritize safety, which could affect both health and the environment. To conclude, these results show that while there is a strong interest in organic skincare products, there are also important concerns about their safety, cost, and the practices of small-scale producers. The findings highlight areas where improvements can be made to ensure that these products are both safe and effective for consumers. In conclusion, this study explored the organic skincare industry, focusing on how ingredients are sourced and their effects on consumer health, ethics, and the environment. The findings show that there is a need for more transparency and ethical practices in sourcing ingredients. Based on these findings, the authors recommend that industry regulators take a broader approach to ensure sustainability in sourcing ingredients. They should encourage eco-friendly farming practices and consider local sourcing to reduce the carbon footprint, especially for small producers. Also, this study focused on working class women, which means the results may not reflect the views of other groups. The survey was also distributed online, which might have biased the sample, as those with easier internet access were more likely to participate. And lastly, future research should look at the long-term health and environmental effects of organic skincare products and include a more diverse range of people to gain a better understanding of different perspectives, because this would help make the findings more applicable to a wider population. I hope this study benefits you just like it helped me to understand these important issues better. Thank you for watching.